What's up, boss lady crew? I'm back with another video. Yeah, y'all, it's a cooking tutorial. So I'm about to get started on these bacon, eggs, and steak sandwiches. Baby, I've been wanting them so bad. So this is all the stuff you need. You need eggs, butter, cheese, steak, bagels, regular bagels, and the seasoning. So y'all, I didn't, marinate my meat overnight. So now we gotta go do it the old-fashioned way. We gotta go beat that meat. Yes, we gotta go beat that meat. Beat both sides of the meat. And then you season it. These some thin steaks I had got from Save a Lot, y'all. I typically, I normally don't get my steaks from Save a Lot, but they was looking good. So I was like, and it was thin because I don't like the big chunky steaks. Like sometimes that should be too much meat. So I was like, you know what, let me get these ones. And I was craving that steak bagel sandwich anyway. So like I said, just beat both sides of the meat. Because like I said, I didn't even marinate it overnight. So, but it still came out tender. And I'm going to take my seasoning salt. My jaw, I only season one side of my meat. I don't season both sides. Because when I pan sear it, it be on top of the stove and some butter. So all that seasoning that I season on one side it's enough seasoning to season to both sides. So I got Slap Your Mama seasoning salt. I got some steak seasoning. Majority of these seasons came from Save a Lot, as well as all these too in the meat market. So, and I got paprika, onion powder, and what else I got? It's some black pepper. So yeah, y'all. And the reason why I had to muster out, because I was gonna make a savory sauce, but I ended up couldn't find my deal. So I was like, you know what, forget it. And I ended up putting jelly on there. So it was still good, but it would have been smacking if I had that savory sauce with the dill and the mustard mixed together. But yeah, and I put garlic powder on there as well. I always use garlic. But anywho, like I said, just season. I only season one side. That's the only thing I do. But your preference. So yeah, y'all keep watching this video, and then I'm gonna get my one onion. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, you'll need an onion, and I'm gonna just cut it, and then I'm gonna saute that onion until they caramelize, so I can put them on my sandwich. Ooh, girl, this sandwich is burger. We smashed them sandwiches. So, and I'm just cutting up the onion, and then I'm gonna saute it like I said. And I'm gonna put a little butter in the pot, and the pot was hot, so. And I'm going to make sure I coat that whole pan with that butter. And then I'm going to put the onions in there and let them cook. Hunty. And then I'm going to cook the steak. Do the same as I did with the onions. Put the butter in the pot. I don't know, put the butter in the pot, and then put the steaks in there and let them cook. But I don't let the steaks cook that long because they're already thin. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to let them, then they be to the point where, you got to have them juicy, baby. I like a juicy steak, a seasoned well juicy steak. And these is thin, so they don't cook that long anyways. Like to the point you can make, because they so thin, you can make like steak them. You can make like a steak Philly. You can chop it up and put it like in a steak, a baked potato. Or make some rice and steak, like pepper steak and rice. Like you could do that thin. So that's how I like my steak. Yes, honey, they done at this point, because you don't want to cook them too long. And then I'm going to take that same pan, putting the butter on top of my bagel. And then I'm going to put them on top of the stove and let it heat up and toast it a little bit. See? Make sure that pan is hot. Make sure that pan is hot, honey. Then once I let them cook, I'm gonna get started on my eggs. The eggs, I only used 2 eggs, and it made 3 sandwiches with them eggs, just like the steak did. Cause they was pretty big, you know. They was pretty big steak and egg sandwiches, and it was delicious, y'all. So I was just whip them bad boys up. I don't even season the eggs because the steak had enough seasoning to the point I don't need to season the eggs. And then on top of that, you know, cheese got salt in it. So I put cheese on top of it, American cheese on top. You can use any preference cheese you want to use to go on your eggs if you want to. It's up to you, but I decided to use the American cheese. So, see, I let that sit on top of there. I flipped it on the one side. You know, and then I'm putting the jelly on top. That was the strawberry jelly I ended up getting from Aldi's. So, but like I said, it would have been banging if I would have put the savory sauce instead of using jelly on there. But it still was good. It still was good. It's your preference. You can try whatever you want to. Some people just leave it plain. It all depends on you. And I just take my steak and see, it was tender because I beat the hell out that meat. And now I just chop my eggs up. And like I said, and then I just put it on my sandwich. Baby, it was boom. It was good. It was real good. Baby, listen. I wanted that steak sandwich just so bad, y'all. It was so good, too. And then I'm going to put my onions on there, y'all. Forgot about them onions. Y'all forgot about them onions. Shit, I did, honey. I mean, it's your preference. A lot of people don't eat onions, but I do, so I'm going to hook this sandwich up. I'm going to hook the sandwich up, baby. It was banging, y'all. And I'm going to flip it around because I had built it from the bottom on up. And I'm going to cut it open so y'all can see what it looked like in the middle. Ooh-wee! Oh, it was banging. So, yeah. This going to be the end of this tutorial, y'all. But, like I said, stay blessed. Stay prayed up. You know, and I'm going to be back with some more videos. And, you know, like and subscribe and share this video, y'all. Oops, when I was cutting it, you know, the top bun came off. So, put that back on there. Look at that sandwich. Baby. Sizzle, sizzle. Baby, that sandwich was baby. Breakfast in the morning is served. So, see y'all. Peace.